Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to turn on the SIM card on the Clover Station Duo. So for those of you that don't know, any of the Clover systems that we sell now can come with its own internet. That means that if you don't want to hire Comcast, you don't want to hire AT&T, maybe the bill's too high, or maybe they don't have internet available where you're opening your business. With this option, you'll be able to turn on the Wi-Fi and the internet that the system brings on its own. So you would come here to the main screen. You can go like on your phone and go down like this, and you'll find the settings right here on this gear icon. But if you are having any issues finding it like that, I'm going to teach you how to do it from the screen as well. So if you come here and you go to device settings, then you're going to come into the settings of the machine and you're going to be able to see network and internet. So press here, and right here you're going to see different options. You're going to see Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and in this case we're looking for the mobile network. On this one right now, I can press the little pen on the top and I can actually see if it is turned on or not. So you can see here where it says mobile data. So you'll see where it says mobile data, and right here you're going to see like a little button that you can turn on. So if you want to use it, you're going to go ahead and press this. And this is going to turn on the LTE on the machine. Once you do this, you should be able to collect internet from there. I would go ahead also recommend to press the rooming, because I don't know what kind of, if you're moving around, you may want to set that up. All right, and now we're set up like that. The other way that I can show you that now we have internet on our own is that I can turn off the Wi-Fi. And now you can see that the machine continues to be connected. You can see it's connected to LTE. So once you connect your system and set up the SIM card inside of it, you'll be able to operate regularly and be able to take orders, send orders to the kitchen if that's something that you have set up, as well as take online orders. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.